Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you basically how to make responsive navbar in webflow. So first of all, add the navbar component, alright? And then drag the navbar component onto your page, and then select the navbar and customize it by adding logo, navigation links, and any other desired elements like buttons, and then use the style panel to set colors, typography, spacing, and other styles. Ensure that design looks good at full width, and then switch to the mobile breakpoint. Click on the mobile icon at the toolbar, and then ensure the navbar elements stack or resize appropriately. Adjust styles specifically for smaller screens if necessary, and then add a mobile menu. Just click on the navbar menu to open the settings, and then you can set the menu button hamburger icon to appear in a mobile view. Ensure that it toggles the menu when clicked, and then you can add interactions, which is optional. And then basically, if you want animations for opening and closing, go to the interactions panel and set up a simple hide and hide or hide animation for the menu, and then click on the preview eye icon to see how your navbar behaves in the different screen sizes. Test the functionality of the mobile menu. Right? Additional tips: just consider applying for a sticky position to the navbar so that it stays at the top when scrolling, and ensure that interactive elements like links are easily clickable on mobile devices. By following these steps, you will have responsive navbar ready for your webflow project. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.